Congratulations! Yay! Smile!
Some work for this project and bless all these cars, also the drivers, with the temptation to deliver us from evil. Hail Mary, full of
What were the challenges you faced in growing this business?
Well, good morning everyone. First of all, I'd like to acknowledge that and appreciate and grateful to Hashimoto-san for coming over, and to the entire Toyota Motor Philippines team, and of course to our good friend Mr. Joseph Lo for supporting Excel, the Toyota Mabono team. Well, Excel started 7-8 years ago when we started this business and we started to do our operation. But the global was badly hit with pandemic. So when we started to lay our eggs, our first 5 eggs on May 2020, it's in the height of a pandemic. So I'm always grateful to my management team for pivoting the strategy to go into direct selling. So it's always our vision to go into selling our fresh farm eggs directly to the consumer. So we pivoted our strategy by opening 30 stores during pandemic. 30 stores in Cebu. So we started in one in the province, and we are up right now, it's almost 40 stores. So because it's always our dream to serve the fresh farm, the eggs directly to the table, farm to table market. And of course, the eggs is being the cheapest protein available in the market right now. So it's much cheaper than any 3-in-1 drinks and everything. So it's giving better health nutrition to the consumer and also to the Filipino community. And also it's always our dream to help the country, the nation, Philippines, provide the food security and help our own little ways of providing the sustainability to our nation. So that is how we started.
Yeah, wow, that's a great story of perseverance and growth, sir. Now, I think I was asking earlier, you're a senior manager for supply chain. How did it affect the price of the eggs? Especially with current fuel costs. And I heard you said something earlier that really astonished me, sir. Did it affect in any way?
Oh well, we're facing a global energy crisis right now. So no one is fair. Everybody is the same. We're in an equal footing right now. Well, as decided by our management team, couple of months, 1 month ago, especially to my finance, that we decided not to increase any price.
Wow.
We decided to continue to support our nation. We continue to support, even though we're experiencing a lot of pressure right now from feed costs to energy prices and the fuel costs, but we will continue to we will continue to not to increase the price and support our kababayan.
Wow, thank you very much. That's so lovely to hear, especially, you know, that we are really in deep crisis and you're still thinking of the nation. Thank you very much for that, sir. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of your business is your mobile store. This concept, you know, something that really sets you apart in the market. So let's dive into, you know, what inspired you to do this and what made you decide to create a mobile store?
I would say because my friend Joseph is here and also Hashimoto-san is here. Since teenager, I'm always biased with Toyota. Toyota is always, I don't know, my first car and everything, so I always love Toyota. But when Toyota launched the Toyota Line X, So it was presented to us. So it didn't with our strategies. But when Joseph J-Lo, we finally call him J-Lo, when he told me about the Tamaraw, we're excited because it's the right size. It's the right size for us to go into different small areas. Because right now we're almost 40 retail stores. But what we really envision is we want our eggs more closer to the consumers. So bringing the Tamaraw more closer to the consumer, that's the concept that we were looking at it right now. So of course, the first 10 units is lovely designed by Toyota. It's really nice. And we thank you for that. And the mobile store was really a strategy that we want to go closer to the consumer. And we are currently right now doing a lot of technology. You can order your store, soon you will order your eggs through a technology, through an apps. And you'll soon subscribe. For this household, every week you deliver. So we can plan our supply chain also in our delivery system. And for each of the household that you just method right now we're doing. So of course we can, these mobile stores really we're very excited. Yesterday we just had our board meeting and we have presented this Excel mobile store to the board. And of course, the board has the full support of and they're asking me, when is the next step? Choose the Tamaraw because there's 3 things that why we choose Tamaraw. Number 1 is the reliability. Of course, number 2 is the most important, is the service level of Toyota. And I've already mentioned that number 3 is the most important because it's Toyota. That's the reason why we choose this Tamaraw. And during the engineering, I really appreciate on the engineering team because during the stage, the first unit was delivered and we have to do a lot of changes. Remember, our team has to do a lot of changes. So to strengthen the suspension, we have to increase the vent and everything. But despite of a lot of changes and challenges that we encountered, Toyota was able to deliver on time the 10 units thanks to the President for interfering with those.
Wow, thank you very much.
I think 3 units will be assigned outside Cebu.
Wow.
So this will be delivered in the nearby province of Cebu. So we're just finishing our farms operation in the other province, but these 3 units will be assigned in the other region. But in each of the municipal, yes, we are really looking at it.
Wow, that's something to look forward to in the future. Now, I'm sure that you have already said something about the services of Toyota Motors and the Toyota Mobile, but I would like to ask again. I would like to reiterate, especially for our VIPs from Toyota Motors, how was your experience been working with Toyota Motors Philippines and Toyota Mobile itself?
Well, this should be answered by my supply chain manager, Fritzen. So she's the one who's handling the fleet management. But anyway, she decided not to come up. I don't know why. Actually, today they should be the one to answer this one. They asked me to come at 9 o'clock. I said, the event is at 10 o'clock. Why should be around at 9? Anyway. Well, we get good there's a couple of Toyota dealership in Cebu.
We'd love you to leave our audience some words of wisdom. Perhaps maybe you could like to share something for these aspiring entrepreneurs.
Well, Joseph, you want to finish? So we always have our message to aspiring younger generation to go into farming and entrepreneur. So I will let Joseph talk.
Sir Joseph Kakubig is the Senior Manager for Admin and Compliance and HR of Excelsior. Now, Sir Joseph, please join us. Thank you for joining us. By the way, Sir Joseph, welcome to Toyota Mall. Sir, what can you
For having me here. So basically, as most people would always say, it's about inspiration, but that is a very short-sighted thing. This is about the discipline towards achieving something more, because inspiration is always there, but what gives you is the discipline, the grit for you to become something, to be able to achieve more. So basically, that's what we're going to share.
the grit and the discipline of the individual who wants to become an entrepreneur?
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
In celebrating this momentous occasion for very important customer. I remember our first meeting was back in 2024, March 8, almost 2 years ago, where we first presented different conversion options and different courses. Although, because we had not yet launched upcoming Tamaraut, I believe this was one of the Goyo Kiki activities wherein we, from Toyota, had to go and see the real market situation and understand what is the customer need. At that time, what amazed me was the clear management philosophy and the strong determination of President Alvin, backed by the operational excellence or excellence of his entire Excelsior team. This also gave us a great ideas on what our new Tamaraut can do for them. Discussions progressed between our teams, and today marks the celebration and turnover of 10 units of Tamaraut mobile store units customized to Excelsior requirements. I am very happy that this Tamaraut conversion is a good example of achieving even our Toyota's objectives for this model Tamaraut. First, as we are to enter the commercial vehicle industry, a segment that is new to Toyota, and we need to conduct countless interviews we call Goyo Kiki, activities to truly understand what the market of commercial needs. We needed to see the actual market situation, see what is needed, and study how we can develop the most suitable vehicle to tackle or address those issues. Second, our vision for the Tamaraut is to be a game changer which can support the livelihood of all the Filipinos, one by one, through our flexible conversion options. The shakedown of the Mobile X store concept today embodies such spirit of Tamaraut as a true national car. As our global chairman Akio Toyoda mentioned, following his announcement that Toyota is no longer just an automotive company, but we have transformed into a mobility company, and he said, and we say, we at TMP fully support this direction, and we continuously seek on the way on how we can support the mobility needs of the society here in Cebu and nearby islands. Lastly, this ceremony is a testament, I believe this is a testament to the strong collaboration between Team Toyota and Excelsior. Let me take this opportunity to once again thank you, Mr. Alvin Kim, and the rest of the Excelsior families for your continued trust in Toyota. We hope that this strong relationship will continue to bring more happiness to more tables of Filipinos. As the Middle East crisis is ongoing and we, Toyota Motor Philippines, are also operating at a time when our country is facing the real challenges. Uncertain, difficult times may be upon us, but No worries. Rest assured that Team Toyota, together with Toyota Marlboro, will continue to support you in all of your mobility requirements, whatever happens, anytime and anywhere. Toyota Motor Philippines and Toyota Marlboro are always with you. Thank you for believing in Toyota and congratulations once again. Omedetou, mabuhay.